Different therapies had been tried on this chronic pressure ulcer on the buttock, but it had not responded to anything. It was now 9 weeks old, not healing and slowly expanding. It was 1 centimeter deep, with an outer entrance of 2 by 1.5 centimeters. It had 2 deep and wide sinuses. One was 3 centimeters and the other was 2.5 centimeters deep. And there was a 1 centimeter undermining along its entire left half. Acapsil was applied once daily for 3 days, and the wound was then left in peace to heal with no further treatment. On day 6, the opening had reduced to 1 by 0.5 centimeter, and the wound was filling up with new tissue. The wound edges were showing skin cells all around. All the undermining was gone. The depth of the sinuses had reduced by 1 centimeter and 0.5 centimeter respectively, and they were considerably narrower. There was no risk of creating an abscess, as the sinuses were closing upwards from the bottom. Using the width of the probe to compare the size of the wound opening on day 0 to day 6 clearly shows that the opening has reduced considerably over 6 days. On day 0, a whole finger could easily enter the sinuses, whereas on day 6 they had narrowed to the extent that the slim probe could hardly pass. Standard of care had already been used for 9 weeks and had cost £4,225, with the wound still showing no signs of healing. Acapsil, in 3 days, turned the wound into a healthy, healing wound, and this cost only £562. The Acapsil regime only costs the same as 8 days of standard of care. Acapsil has started with a chronic, non-healing pressure ulcer that was slowly growing bigger, and after only 3 applications turned it into a healthy, healing wound.